This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lin Miller. New construction 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, wood floors in the main living area, kitchen with upscale cabinetry, granite tops and stainless steel appliances. Ceramic tile floors in all bathrooms and laundry room, high efficiency heat pump, upgraded insulation and Energy Star windows make this home comfortable in every season. Completion expected by May 31, 2020. Closing cost assistance available. For more information, review the details below.